Hi everyone. So this is our last goal for this unit for P1-P3. And this one's dealing with geometry and polynomials. The two main concepts that I really want you to be able to walk away with these, because there's so many that you can actually apply to them, but the very basics in this are we're going to deal with perimeter and volume. Okay? For perimeter, perimeter by definition is the distance around your shape. Okay? So what that means is that when we're doing the perimeter, we add all sides together. Okay, add all sides. When we look at this problem, you see these symbols right here that are the double hash marks? What this means is that these two sides of the rectangle are identical to each other. And we have the single ones right here, which means that these two sides are identical to each other. So when we find the perimeter, we're just adding them together. So if I have 6x and I'm going to add 4 x's to it, that means that I have 10x. And if I have a -1 and a +3, and I put those together, I'm going to have a +2. Now notice, when I've done the perimeter on this, I've only added these two sides of it. But we have these two sides which are identical to it. So really, all I need to do is double this. If I double it, the perimeter of this is 20x plus 4. Again, we double that just because this and this are the same, so there's two of them. And this are the same, so there's two of them. Okay, so the answer for that first one is 20x plus 4. Those are easy. I didn't know how to say problems for you guys with that, so hopefully that example will suffice. The volume ones are the ones that you seem to struggle a little bit on. So let's do the first volume one together. Volume, remember, is a basic formula. It's length times width times height, at least for the problems that we're doing. There's a lot of different shapes, so there's a lot of different volumes out there. When we look at this one, we have sides of x plus 3, 2x, and 5x plus 4. So let's set this up. 2x times x plus 3 times 5x plus 4. Now, with this being done, written out like this, you have a choice of how you want to multiply these. You can take and distribute the 2x to those to the x plus 3. You can take and distribute the 2x to the 5x plus 4. You can multiply these two together. You can do it however you want. Okay? The way I usually do them is I multiply these binomials together, and I just carry the 2x until I'm ready to work with it later. So if I distribute this out, we end up with 5x squared. This is going to be x times 4, which is 4x. And then 3 times 5x, which is 15x. So 4x plus 15x means that we have 19x. And then 3 times 4 is 12. If you need help with how to go through and distribute this out, go back to goal 14 and take a look at the video of how to do distribution or multiplication. So by multiplying these two binomials together, we now have this trinomial. The final step then is to take this monomial right here, this 2x, and we're going to distribute it to everything to the right. So we have 10x cubed, 38x squared, and 24x. That's it. So with that being said, copy this problem down. You guys go ahead and try it. Pause the video, and then go ahead and hit play when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, so the solution here is 5x times x minus 2 times 4x plus 1. Carry the 5x through. We end up with 4x squared. X minus 8x is -7x. And then minus 2. Distribute the 5x, we end up with 20x cubed minus 35x squared minus 10x. There's our answer. Hope this helps, and that is it. We are done with Unit P1-P3. Study hard. Good luck on your test.